Module 4, in the office. This is all about things that need to be done, and it's the work that will support our time in the kitchen. I've often found through my competing that if I don't spend the right amount of time at the beginning of developing a program in the office, I regret that when I'm in my program. Office time is spent with research, with developing techniques, with finding formats. In this module, we're going to build out a competition budget. Final event cost, this is the day of the event, what it's going to cost, or the last few days of the event. I've added the event travel, that's this first section. Comey airfare, if you have it or not. Rental car, van, if you need gas. I discuss and give you an employer letter of commitment, something that allows you to really hone in and define your commitment and the employer's commitment to supporting you in your process. Depending on the size of your project, this could be a large commitment of time if you're competing. I also give you some of my fundamental costing sheets, butcher's yield sheet, recipe costing sheet, a project costing template to present a very realistic view of what this project is going to cost. It's one for you to be able to keep your expenses and then towards the end of this module, we're going to start diving into writing a menu. There's a menu overlap tool that I like to present you with, and I'd be happy for you to use. So we have salmon on the menu, the fish, right? I've got shellfish on the menu, lobster. The salmon, we're using loin. We'll talk about menu mechanics, the real fine points of what makes a good menu. See you soon.